Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video we'll be comparing Cursor with Windsurf editor and which one is better for you. So let's get right into it. So starting with Cursor is basically it is designed to streamline coding and offers a smart and autocomplete refactory suggestion and even full code generation. It is great for developers who want faster coding without losing control. It comes with an advanced code suggestion, bug detection, and real-time collaboration tools for teams. It integrates with popular coding languages and frameworks, making it perfect for full-stack development. Now, it has a steeper learning curve due to its integration with traditional IDEs. Developer needs to get familiar with the tools to maximize its potential, but it's a great boost once you are up to speed. It offers a free plan with essential features and paid plans, which starts at around $10 per month for teams and advanced tools. Now, if I compare Cursor with or Windsurf Editor, so Windsurf Editor is another cloud-based AI assistant designed to help you write code through natural language. You describe the code and Windsurf write it for you, providing you more hands-off approach. It's perfect for beginners or busy devs who need quick solution. Now it uses a more conversational approach. It can write entire functions, generate bipolar codes, and even troubleshoot issues from a description. So it's powerful in simplicity and work across many languages. It is more intuitive and can be used by anyone, even with those who have minimal coding experience. You simply talk to it and it writes the code for you, and it is as simple as it sounds. Now, if I talk about pricing, so Windsurf has a free basic plan with the limited usage as you can see over here, but the plan can goes up to $60 per month for Pro Ultimate and depends on the team, which is $35 per month. So you can compare the features on the site over here, and for Cursor you can see the features here on the site. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you in comparing between Cursor and Windsurf and which one is better for you. Thank you so much for watching.